Morning, my name is Kishami Guerra, and in this lab I'll be working with Viandra, Mia, and Evan to do the red bug. The stimuli we will be testing in our lab is phototaxis. Phototaxis is the bodily movement of a motile organism in response to light, either toward the source of light or away from it. In this lab we will be conducting an experiment on Phyrochoridae bugs, also known as red bugs. These insects are oval-shaped with bright red colors, and they can be winged or wingless. They range from a size of 8 millimeters to 18 millimeters. They are native to the tropics and subtropics, and they are herbivores whose diet consists of seeds and fruits. Their lifespan is 1 to 2 years, and their main predator is Roxa nishidai, which belongs to another phyrochorid. Our hypothesis for this experiment is that most of the insects will react negatively to the phototaxis.
Good day, my name is Mia Joseph, and today I will be showing you how I constructed my choice chamber.
Good day again. So this graph represents the number of bugs in each section every minute for 10 minutes. The y-axis goes up to 8 because I was only able to use up to 8 bugs in the experiment. There's a key to the right side of the graph explaining what each color and shape means. As you can see in the graph, the dark colored circle and square have the greatest amount in majority of the minutes accounted for, meaning that the number of bugs in the dark section have the greatest percentage above all.
My hypothesis was that the bugs would exhibit a negative phototaxis, and based on the data collected, my hypothesis was proven to be true. The bugs originally lived under rocks. That means that they're used to living in an environment that has little to no sunlight. I believe that this influenced their preference in my choice chamber.
Good day everyone, my name is Andrew Chester and today I will be informing you on the results from our group's redbug lab. After analyzing the results from our lab, we were able to determine that most of the insects negatively responded to phototaxis. We learned about taxis and kinesis, and we conducted an experiment using phototaxis. Phototaxis is the orientation of an organism in relation to the presence of light. Positive phototaxis is the movement towards the light source, and negative phototaxis is the movement away from the light source. Most of the insects were crawling around the container and ignoring the light source. After 10 minutes, only 3 insects positively reacted to phototaxis. This experiment supports our hypothesis that most of the insects will negatively respond to phototaxis.